Welcome to WAB's Agro-Tech. We want to put you through on how to join two lithium battery together. You can see that is spot radar, another spot radar. The blue one is 5,000 watts, while this black one is 8,000 watts. And we are using what I'm holding. This one, it is detachable, you can remove it, and this one also you can remove the pedal. So this is the pedal, and the other one that I'm holding, that is a neck. This one that I'm holding, yes, is naked strip. So the naked strip is wider. This one, you can see I'm putting it on it. Yes, you can see this down one is wider than this on top, so they will do the same work. No need of pondering of which one is better, which one no. You can use any of the two. Both of them are pure naked strip. The spot radar I want to on, you can see the knob is there to switch, and the pedal I'm putting it on the floor is there. You can see how it's pressed. You put your leg on that, and this wooden is constructed by us. It will hold your battery. You can put as many as battery that you want, depending. You can see the length, but here we are going to do sample of 4 batteries. The 4 batteries is there now. So we need to put the spot radar closer and naked strips closer. I've told you that you can use any of the two. Some people will ask me, why do I want to use scissors for? Scissors is taught to cut the naked strip. So whenever I'm done with that, so you can use it to cut the naked strip. You tight it so that it can hold the battery. We are going there. You put the naked strip closer, the spot radar closer. Please follow, share, so now let's start with the work. The spot radar, you can see we are pressing the pedal. Whenever you put the two together, two on it, and press the pedal. So when you press the pedal, it spark. I will show you how it will spark now. The pedal, you press it, you can see that two that is there. The camera is now closer. So hold your scissors, cut it now. Please subscribe. The down one now, we turn it so that I want to do the down one. Hold your spot radar, press it, you see your pedal, the way you press. It's pressing. You can see that we are only showing this is a sample how to use spot radar. That is what we are showing you. Cut it now with your scissors. Okay, you can see that every battery now joined together. Can you see? It's tight. There is no need of using sodium. Use this one, is tight. Nothing like it too much heat. Everything fixed. So the positive to positive for this. With next one, we are going to teach you how to calculate the what is it called, the value. After joining together, how to get your 12 volts, how to get 6 volts, how to get 24 volts, how to get 32 volts, how to get 96 up to 96, and also how to get it. We are going to teach you next class, inshallah. So now uh, you can do this one for electric bike, electric bicycle, for your solar flood light. Don't forget to subscribe.